In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the color grader menu. The color grader menu is always displayed at the bottom of the monitor and will not be output through HDMI out to other devices. In the top-level color grader menu, there are 7 options: backlight, contrast, sharpness, chroma, tint, color grader, and settings. The first 5, backlight, contrast, sharpness, chroma, and tint, along with settings corresponding to related parameters found under Image and System Settings, allowing for quick adjustments directly from the color grader menu. Click Color Grader to enter the grading interface. Slots 1 to 6 correspond to 6 custom grades. Use the main on-off toggle to enable or disable all 6 grades at once. When the Edit button is off, clicking any individual slot will toggle that specific grade on or off. Press Edit to enter Edit mode. The Edit light will illuminate. In Edit mode, click slots 1 to 6 to open the corresponding custom grading screen. Inside each custom grading screen, click the eyedropper icon to sample a color from the monitor image. You can adjust up to 7 colors per custom grade. Each color is represented by a swatch below. Use hue range, saturation range, and value range to define which colors and regions you want to target. Click the mask icon to toggle the display of the selected color regions. Once you've chosen your colors and ranges, click the Adjust icon, where you'll find 3 controls: hue, saturation, and value, to modify the selected colors. That's the entire color grader menu tutorial.